welcome back to another video here on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Google Chrome on a computer and on a mobile device. I'll jump to my iPad later to show you how you can use it on a mobile device. But if you're new to Google Chrome, then this video will be for you. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So first of all, the plus button on the top, this is a thing that you probably already know, but I'm just going to tell you. This is how you can add a new tab, just like in any other browser. That's how you do it. You probably 99.9% already know that, but yeah. So as you can see, I do have a custom new tab, and I can search the web over here. But I'm just going to disable it for this video real quick, so you guys know exactly what the new tab will look like. So I'm just going to come back over here and I'm just going to add a new tab, and this will be a regular new tab. When you click on the search bar, you can just search stuff, and you can click on the three dots right over here. There will be your history right over here, and this is going to be your history. So if you want to do that, you can take a look at it, and this is recently closed. Now on the start page, on the top right, you'll see Gmail, images, and you'll see your app icon right over here. All that kind of gridish icon, and what you can see right over here is there's all of your Google apps right over here. So if I want to access YouTube, I can simply click on that, and that will bring me to YouTube. So yeah, this is how you can do it. So as you can see, I'm on YouTube real quick, and yeah, so it brings you straight to an app. And on the top right corner here, this will be your Google account, and you can click on it to view the details of it. To add an extension, you can just go to the Chrome Web Store, which I'll show you. So real quick, So I can basically search up Chrome Web Store, and now right over here, this will be the web page that you'll see. So as you can see, this will be the web page right over here. And I can add an extension. So I don't think I have, So I'm just going to add an extension real quick. I'm going to add an extension, Grammarly. It usually takes so long to load, so I'll just speed this part up of it loading. Okay, well, I thought I was going to speed that up, but I didn't because it was very quick. But if I want to add an extension, just add and then add the extension, but I don't think I need Grammarly, so I'm not going to add that. And yeah, so that's the basics of using a Google Chrome. Some of you will also see this app section. This is like a couple of apps, I guess. Not exactly sure how they put this here, but yeah, you can access your apps right over here. And yeah. So also an offline kind of game thing on Google Chrome is that if you go to Chrome and, well, this kind of website URL, I'll link it in the description. Well, I don't think I can link it, but yeah, basically this is like an offline Chrome game thing where you basically jump over the cactus, and yeah, I'm not good at it, but you can see it's if you don't have any internet, it's like a Chrome thing that I can do. So don't know why it's okay. Well, I don't know why sometimes the jump doesn't work, and yeah, it does work now. So yeah, you basically click space to jump over that, but yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's how you can use Google Chrome on a desktop, and that's the main things for starters that you'll need to know. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump on my iPad to show you how it works on mobile. Alright, so I've jumped on my iPad right now, and I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chrome on mobile. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the Google Chrome app, and as you can see, it looks like this. Now on the top right corner, you'll see the three dots, which will show you a couple of options up here, like recent tabs, passwords, and settings. Now you can also access settings by clicking on your avatar right over there. So if I go ahead, if you want to add a window, you just click on new window and stuff like that. You can also add a new incognito tab, I guess that's how you say it. if you go to your tab section on the top right, you can go ahead and exit out of that, and in the middle you'll see your normal tabs. On the right you'll see, I'm not sure, this recently closed, and here we have our bookmarks and mobile bookmarks and bookmarks bar. Yeah, you can add bookmarks, and I'll kind of show you how you can do it right now. So I'm going to go to my website real quick, and you'll see that if I come here, you'll see that I get a bookmark button right over here. No, not that button. I can bookmark it by clicking on that button. Now I can edit that if I want to. So as you can see, name, blah blah blah, folder, blah blah blah, and yeah. So if I go ahead and go to my bookmark section, I don't really want this to put into my bookmark, so I'll just basically, where is it? Okay, there we go. So let's say I want this in my bookmarks bar. I don't think if you want to put this in your bookmarks bar, I think you can put this, and I think you can move it somewhere if you want to. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure. But when you're saving it, you'll have to move it, I think. And yeah, so that's basically the basic stuff you Google Chrome on an iPad, and also on mobile. And I'm just gonna go to Chrome and Dino. Yes, the Dino game still works here as well, so I can just simply click on space. Well, if you're mobile and you do not have a keyboard connected, you basically just tap. And I'm not too good at this game. It's basically just an offline game that everyone plays. That's when it's offline. Not everyone, not a lot of people play it, but yeah, it's a feature in Google Chrome, so yeah. So yeah, that's how you can use Google Chrome on mobile, and I'll jump back on the computer. If you found that video helpful, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, and click here to watch other videos and the playlist by Maze B.